Alright, mate, it's just me and you now. Don't need anyone, we don't need anything. We'll make art anywhere. We'll be like the Anne Frank of photography. We can take pictures of anything. People will love it. This pillow, this doorknob. These might actually turn out amazing. Oh, the shit.
Social distancing. No. It would, trust me, it would totally work. I just set up a Zoom meeting with the model, and then you can join the meeting if you want as well, and then I take pictures of the laptop screen. Hello?
Right, we've got one roll of film left, and we've got 50 quid left in the account. We're going to buy more film and keep on creating art that everyone definitely wants, or we're going to eat. God, this is harder than I thought. Interesting.
Wo ist der Bahnhof?
Wo ist der Bahnhof?
Look at you, you're filthy, covered in germs. You're trying to kill me. Ah! You're so yucky. Dirty. Kill it all. Better. I can't believe I put you against my face. My face!
駅はどこですか?
駅はどこですか?
駅はど
Oh my god, I'm bored. What's this about? Creativity is born out of limitations. Blah. No. No.